we're not heading towards a judicial crisis. I think we're going through a judicial crisis. The divide in Supreme Court is not behind closed doors anymore. It is reflected in the performance of their official judicial work, be that constitution of benches or to a point where the judges cannot even agree on what the order of the court is. Disagreements of such nature impact the very foundation of the judicial system. It raises serious questions on the impartiality of judges and consequently the legitimacy of the orders they pass, and its enforcement becomes doubtful. The only way I think we can get out of this crisis is more democracy within the Supreme Court, where each judge feels that they're equal in every sense of that word. It's a slightly difficult question to answer, and I think it's probably worth a much longer debate, but my opinion is that it's a 4-3 judgment. 2 judges dismissed the petition, Justice Yaya and Justice Athamanila. They did not recuse. They dismissed the petitions on maintainability. 2 other judges, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah and Justice Mando Khail, subsequently agreed with the opinion of Justice Yaya and Justice Manila. And there's this earlier precedent in the Nawaz Sharif judgment where something similar had happened. So in view of that, my opinion is that it's a 4-3 judgment. I understand that there's another order of the court where the 9 judges had signed off to reconstitution of the bench, but that order had to be signed regardless of Justice Manila and Justice Mando Khail's opinion, because Justice Ijazul Ehsan and Justice Naqvi, who were part of the 9-member bench, had recused. And since they had recused, the bench had to be reconstituted. So, and of course, the law is that, once the bench stands constituted, a judge can only be removed either when he recuses or because of his unavailability. So yeah, my opinion is that it's a 4-3 judgment. On the latest development, Justice Aminuddin's recusal makes legal sense. He signed off to the majority order authored by Justice Qazi Faiz Isa that was released yesterday. In that case, the court decided that the hearing of cases under Article 184(3) be postponed till the time the issue of how those powers are to be exercised by Supreme Court are attended to. So Justice Aminuddin's recusal is in line with his order that was released yesterday. The effect obviously is that a new bench will have to be constituted now. One possible option is that the CJP may continue with the remaining 4 members on the bench, and in that case, the case will just be resumed from where it was left yesterday. But if any new members are included in the bench, the matter will have to be re-argued, which means more delay in the proceedings. This might be actually a good opportunity for CJP to constitute a full court, as has been requested by a lot of bars as well, and there's been a lot of criticism on the constitution of benches. So this might be the opportunity to form a full court, and this divide, which is becoming very, very obvious in the Supreme Court, I think one way to address it is to actually form a full court and let the full court decide the matter.